Hey guys, hope y'all doing good today. So this video is going to talk about the recent Celsius short squeeze that we've had over the past couple of weeks, what is causing it, and some history for Celsius, as well as some technical analysis. I'm going to go over a chart for it, and then also some news articles and some tweets about it as well. So first of all, let's go ahead and get started. Today, Celsius has been doing awesome. Again, it's up over 20%. It broke that $3 barrier. Now, as you can see, I have a daily chart on Celsius for FTX, and I've actually drawn some big horizontal support and resistance lines, as well as a big trend line. So you can see, first of all, this daily trend line that we had for Celsius from June 4th, basically when it started its downturn, it was broken on August 7th, and that's kind of what started this rally, okay? Another big thing that started it was the withdrawals. So they had that pause on withdrawals from basically customers weren't able to withdraw anything. And that's whenever crypto was, having a big downturn and they had to freeze all their assets. And that's when you kind of had a short supply squeeze for Celsius up to 250, and then basically back down and has continued upwards since. So right now we're at a big resistance point of $3, okay? This is going to be a level. I don't know if it's going to break today and hold. That's the biggest thing, is breaking that $3 mark and holding above it. Because as you can see, there was some big support near that January 9th level, as well as March 15th. So this has been a big point of contention. And again, we could very well have Celsius break back down all the way down to this 265 level. That would possibly be a good buy support. Or even further down, we do have next support of around $2. Now, I do have this trend line drawn on the daily chart, and you can see here, it has found support multiple times. So if it does continue, basically looking at the trend here, if Celsius does continue downward, possibly around that $1.65 level could be a good buy level as well. But again, big things I'm looking at, the RSI right now, you can see it is extremely overbought. So we could very well have a downturn right here and retest this 265 level. But if you look at the weekly chart, well, the weekly chart right now, we're still looking at the RSI could still rise to the upside, okay? It's not oversold just yet, or overbought, sorry. So that is something which could take us, to this next support resistance of 350. So if you look at the daily chart, again, there was a lot of resistance here around this 350 level. This is the next level I'm watching out for. And then finally, this big level of 475. There's a lot of resistance here as well. So again, we have two major resistance levels after this $3 level. So again, not too much. And basically what's going on with Celsius is there's a lot of shorts getting liquidated, okay? So you have this 24-hour chart here, coinglass.com, you go to Celsius, and the liquidation data here for shorts over 24 hours has been 1.68 million. That's insane for the number of shorts being liquidated. Even in the last 4 hours, it's over a million, okay? So a lot of people got liquidated for shorts from this recent run-up we had today. And again, it's looking good for the longs. Now, some other stuff you got to look for is basically, is this going to hold? So let's go real quick, go over some news articles and what I think is going to happen for the future of Celsius. So there's an article by Cointelegraph published 2 days ago, and it says the Celsius community rallies to perform another short squeeze attempt. And basically says thousands of tweets with the hashtag CELSHORTSQUEEZE hashtag have been posted on the social media platform advertising their long positions on Celsius while encouraging others to do the same and post more content about the short squeeze. Now, for those who don't know what happened, there's a similar event that happened with GameStop and AMC, okay? There's a huge amount of shorts shorting both of those stocks. A lot of buyers came in, basically forced the sellers out, forced them to buy back. And yeah, the huge run up with GameStop and AMC, thousands of percent. Now, this has already started to happen with Celsius, from 25 cents and on. So it's already gone up over 10x, but we could very well see it go up to this $3, $4, $5 level. Scrolling down this article, it says, in July, the Celsius company informed its users that had filed petitions for a Chapter 11 reorganization, which is also interpreted as a bankruptcy filing, where users were unable to withdraw their funds from the platform. And it says, basically, they explain that users gave up their rights to their digital assets. Now, there's a lawyer that says, basically, some people should be able to get some of their assets back, but again, that's still in legal battle. Now, that'll be good if a lot of people can get their assets back, but if not, basically, people are trying to kind of make their own destiny where they buy the Celsius coin, there's a limited supply, the withdrawals are locked, and basically be able to make their money back in a sense. So it's a big movement that started to happen right now. It's been pretty awesome this past couple of weeks. Again, not sure if it's going to last, but I am cautiously optimistic. You go on Twitter, you type in hashtag CELSHORTSQUEEZE. A lot of people here are excited about it. Some big accounts actually posting about it as well. You can see Trader Rocco, over 24,000 followers. He's posting about it. And again, more and more people are getting in on this. And then also there was another article that came out 2 days ago where Ripple Labs is actually interested in Celsius's assets. Now, quote, they said, "We are interested in learning about Celsius and its assets and whether any could be relevant to our business." The spokesperson said, declining to say if Ripple was interested in acquiring Celsius outright. Now, Ripple and Celsius both have not necessarily commented on this, but I could see Ripple wanting to get in on this because Celsius was such a powerhouse when it was operating. So again, if you have someone like Ripple, billions of dollars in assets, getting behind Celsius, that could be another push as well. So again, still talks going on, nothing definitive yet, but this is just more news for Celsius and possibly could be some bullishness added for this short squeeze that's happening. But again, I want to really caveat this with saying, always take your profits along the way on these huge runs that we have. Again, always buy back on support levels if you're feeling that FOMO, or maybe buy a little bit, DCA in, DCA up, but definitely be careful with this, especially with RSI's overbought as much as it is. But again, the short squeeze, who knows how long this can go. A lot of times it ignores technicals, so very could easily break through this $3 level. But I could see us, hanging around here at least for a couple days before potentially having another leg up to test that 350 level. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I tried to make it as quick as I could. If you did, please leave a comment below. Please like the video. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't. I try to provide the most useful info I can for free. And again, if you haven't joined my Discord, I do have a Discord here. We talk about a lot of different altcoins. You can see here we have different chats, general chat, news articles, airdrops, memes, off topics. Again, a lot of different things. We have a members chat as well. It's called Data's Crypto Club. The link's in the description and pinned in the comments. But again, hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.